Good day, guys. Okay, if you have Satoshi app, there's an update currently going on. Now look at this project. Ensure your Satoshi app is updated. This is called Pell. So it's a new project on Satoshi app, but this project is kind of advanced. It requires that you participate in testnet activities. So you'll be needing Kiwi browser or Mises browser plus your Metamask extension installed. When you open your Satoshi app, click view details and you see get whitelisted. So you'll be asked to submit your wallet address, and in doing that you'll be asked for your wallet address.
Good evening.
Good evening. So in doing that, it says whitelist failed, complete quest first. These are the quests. What you do, you have to go to the site. When you click complete quest, it will direct you to their website, and you have to copy this website URL. You have to copy it like this and go and paste it on your Kiwi browser so as to be able to do it there. Why? Because you have to connect your wallet and the rest. So these are the tasks. There are 4 things you have to do here. One of the 4 things is that you have to set up your crypto wallet. Metamask is recommended for the best compatibility. 2, you have to complete quests. 3, you have to register your Satoshi app. Then 4, you have to open your Satoshi app and enter the wallet address you use for the quest. 5, sit tight and wait for the airdrop to start on the 2nd of December 2024. So Pell airdrop points will be converted to Pell tokens following the airdrop. Stay tuned for the upcoming announcements regarding the conversion details. So these are the step-by-step guide here, and there are things you have to do yourself. If I have to make a video of all this, it will be very long, so you have to follow through and do them details by details. You can ask questions where you are confused. I'll drop useful links in the description box of this video, and if you need help and assistance, you can like and share, subscribe to this page, then you can drop your questions. I'll also drop a link to our WhatsApp community. You can also join there for live interaction concerning Web3 and its ecosystems. Okay, Pell airdrop. For me, I think this airdrop is already confirmed because it's in collaboration with Satoshi and is a kind of testnet, not just a mining stuff like others. So don't fade this one. We'll see you on the next video.